the value of root 5 into root 5 into root 5 into root 2 up to infinity, dot 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 up to infinity. Evaluate this. The correct option is B. This is an example for infinite product of numbers. Let A equal to root of 5 into root of 5 into root of 5 into root of 5 dot dot dot. We can write this as root of 5. Again we can substitute this as A. Squaring on both sides, A square equal to 5A. A into A square minus 5A equal to 0. So, A into A minus 5 equal to 0, A equal to 0 comma 5. 5 is one of the option. Hereafter we can directly write if it is, I will give the shortcut formula, root of P into root of P into root of, mostly non-zero though only, the answer is P, the answer is P, okay.